A MAF sensor is a sensor used to determine the mass flow rate of air entering a fuel-injected internal combustion engine. It is located on the left side of the engine compartment, attached to the air cleaner housing. A faulty MAF sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the MAF sensor-related error codes. If your vehicle has encountered MAF sensor-related problems, here is one method to fix the MAF sensor. Method A. Clean the MAF sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around. The wire inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. So here is one method to fix the MAF sensor. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.